Hello and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. Special midday episode of my daily talk. Saturday. For me, it's a day of rest because I'm not cooking nothing. Zero, zilch, nada. Oh, no way. I actually slept in. I didn't sleep in, but I stayed in bed as long as possible until my stomach said, go get some leftovers. I'm hungry. That was me today, this morning. The leftovers are excellent. Last night actually during part of the day, I did the turkey stock. Got a little over 3 gallons of turkey stock. 2 gallons went in the freezer. The other gallon or so went into the creamy turkey and mushroom soup. Both excellent. Today, I want to show you some more about my library, as I like to put it, my herb and spice library. I get asked every so often, how do I keep track and manage and store my dried herbs and spices? Well, let me show you. We're going to start in a cabinet I have not brought you guys in. This is kind of an overflow cabinet. We've got my salts, various salts, spare jars, some medium coarse fresh ground black pepper. There's my kosher, iodine, and here's a rack of goodies. There's poultry season, which I did not use yesterday. So that's just a little bit, and I got some stuff up here. This is from the Spicery, which is actually located in Marysville. So I have a few of their items for small business Saturday. And then we're going to go to my main. So this area here, the bottom row, and mostly up in here, are stuff I use a lot, all the time. So if you notice, a lot of my Mexican sweet basil and Mexican oregano, and there's some ground oregano. Then you got some cilantro, then you get rosemary, your thyme. This is more of a flake sage, parsley, tarragon, my cumin, which I use quite a bit, cumin seeds and coriander. So then basically everything that's up in this area are my East Indian or Indian, the type of spices, and this is kind of a blend where I've got other things. In the top row here is some of your basics. Garlic powder, granulated garlic, minced onion powder, ground ginger, and so forth. Notice those are all the same jar type. Okay? So what we have on my shelf are all similar jar type. These are the IKEA jars again. A lot of my chili powders and so forth. This is a blend I get here in town. But basically these are all and this is a couple of the jars that I have repurposed. There's my Cajun mix. There's a curry that I get from LA Merchandise. Regular Italian basil, Italian oregano, white pepper, and so forth. It basically continues. This is the 7 colors I put together for Thanksgiving. I've got mint, my saffron. Yes, saffron. Sesame seeds, and it goes on. My paprikas live up here. A couple more of my chili powders, and so forth. Dill, Chinese 5-spice. But where I keep a lot of my bulk storage, if you read this one, this is my Indian. Indian's in here. Comes in packets, I seal everything. And then this is Mexican. I do keep my paprika in here, my Indian paprika, because I'm in this container a lot more than I am in this one. So these are just Cambros that I got at a local, not the local, but a Sacramento restaurant supply store. So that's it. That's kind of how I keep my library organized to me. I can't say it's going to work for you, but because of jar type and different sizes and whatnot, I'm doing the best I can with the space I have available. As you see, I've got a lot of overflow and so forth. So organize your herb and spice library that you see fit that will help you. I hope you learned something from me. eat great food, and have fun cooking.